Today, I will show you how to fix Spotify homepage not loading problem. Let's start. The first solution is to clear Spotify's cache files. Accumulated cache files can cause these type of problems. To clear these cache files, open Settings. After opening Settings, click Apps and then Manage Apps. After clicking Manage Apps, type Spotify in the search bar. Then click Storage and click Clear Data. Click Clear All Data and then press OK. This process may delete songs you have downloaded from Spotify. We have cleared Spotify's cache files. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is change our internet connection. If our internet is causing problem, changing it will fix the issue. If you are having problems with Wi-Fi, turn it off and switch to mobile data. The same applies to mobile data. If you are experiencing issues while using mobile data, turn it off and try using Wi-Fi. After changing your internet, check if the problem is solved or not. If you are still experiencing issues, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is to uninstall and reinstall Spotify. A clean installation can solve such problems. Press and hold Spotify and then click uninstall. Click uninstall again to proceed. We have uninstalled Spotify. To reinstall it, open the Play Store. After opening the Play Store, click Search and type Spotify in the search bar. After doing this, click Install. We have installed Spotify. Now, you can check whether the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.